Hello, this is Arfa and I am from Dumka, Jharkhand, and I am a 12th class student and also an NIFT aspirant. I recently attended the Productivity Bootcamp Focus 21 by Deepmala ma'am, and to be honest, the experience over that bootcamp was so amazing for me. The Productivity Bootcamp was so different from others, and our trainee Deepmala ma'am, she was really helpful and was sweet to us. I intended to be more productive and more energetic when I joined this productivity boot camp, and I learned a lot from that productivity boot camp. I learned how to tackle things and my time management and also my emotional handling of the stuffs. And to be honest, I noticed a lot of changes in my time management skills and my emotionally handling of stuff, and also it also helped me to be more creative and be more positive throughout my day. Talking about the boot camp, I particularly like about the enjoyment and the learnings we had in the breaks, and I particularly like the box breathing. It was really helpful for me, and it really helped me to calm my nervousness when I am nervous. And I think to be honest, it also teaches a life lesson. The statement which I learned from this bootcamp was, don't let your emotion interfere your work, and what you think is you are. In conclusion, the productivity bootcamp was a game changer, and it was really amazing and helpful for me. It also changes my social skills. It enhances my social skills and helped me a lot to to interact with people. And I'm so happy that I joined this session, and I would also recommend you all, because it will teach you a lot about the stuffs of social and mental and everything you search for, and it's really amazing. And my only advice is to be be on time, as I wasn't, but I was just a little bit late. But be on time, it will be worth it for you all, and that's all.